When I started here 30 years ago, we had a board with magnets for every trailer, every tractor. We had to both do it in the system and then a redundancy, move it physically on the board. So it led to a lot of mistakes. I'm Tom, I'm an operations supervisor here at AD Transport Express. I maintain the operation both internally with our office folks and externally with our drivers. Fortunately, Phillips Connect allows us to do everything electronically, avoid the time, the cost, and the headache for the drivers.
I'm Matthew of AD Transport Express. I manage the administration of the business, AP, AR, payroll, operations within the company. AD Transport's been in business for 41 years, being based out of southeastern Michigan, mainly full truckload carriers that we utilize.
My name is Ed, and I'm Director of Operations for AD Transport Express. AD Transport chose Phillips Connect because of our previous experience with competitors. We were able to have them installed at the facility where our trailers were being built.
It was just a great plan to have them put into the trailers as they were being manufactured. We won't have to do it after the fact. We get to see the trailer coming from the factory to the point of our pickup, and then we can utilize the equipment right from there without having to bring it to the yard.
When we're in the Midwest, we want to be able to dispatch the trailer to earn out of the gate.
I'm the shop manager. Been here 20 years, so I manage the truck side and the trailer side. I manage the parts room also, so I handle the inventory and the warranty and everything that goes back. The actual stability of the StealthNets, there is no maintenance to them that we've seen yet out of these units.
Partnered with Phillips Connect, one of the big changes that we've seen is the ability to save drivers time. And their time is so valuable. And so we really want to do everything in our power to let them maximize their time and maximize their earnings.
Phillips Connect has been really good to us. They've taught us how to use the Connect One system along with the StealthNet and the DriverAssist app to get everything connecting and communicating correctly.
One of the things that we're looking forward to that's going to benefit us greatly with Phillips Connect is the ability for our drivers to see images in cab or on a phone.
We're very excited with Connect One as it does not have the failure rate our previous system had. We don't have that with Phillips.
It's your asset, it's your money, and you always want to keep an eye on it and know where it's at all times. Our people, drivers, and also our technology. That's kind of where it's at, just like the Phillips Connect.